Yeah. Then dollar scholar. Scholar game. Gang.
This was a Scholar Game
Anatomy is the
production.
structure. Physiology is the functions. Organisms are you and me, and this verse is an introduction. Organs and tissues and organ systems constructed. Water, heat, and pressure. This video ain't supposed to be no lecture. Food and oxygen is the basis. Playing their own role in homeostasis, receptors, effectors, and the set point. Meet negative feedback at the joint. Superior be the front, posterior be the back. All these terms be coming straight out of my hat. Superior be above, inferior be below. The stuff from you the one is the stuff you need to know. Break is the arm, rub them together to keep warm. Celiac is the abdomen, mental is the chin. Throat is the chest, and pelvic is the pelvis. Palm is the palm of the hand. Dan Dollar and the kids is the name of the band. Digitals are the fingers and the toes. Nasal is the same as the nose. Lumbar is the lower back. If you get kind of hungry, go and grab a snack. Me personally, I like PB&J, and oh yeah, orbital is the eye cavity. If we be talking about the hips, we say coxal. Don't get it confused with the ribs, which is costal. Patella is the knee. We ain't talking about the genders, which help us pee. Pupil is the elbow, and that's one more thing that you need to know. Memory is the breast. They can give you more info, they know it best. Cervical is the neck. See me on any boat, I'll be on the top deck. Acromions are the shoulders. Mine bigger than yours, they're like boulders. Carpal is the wrist. I ain't gonna say no more, cause I think you get the gist. We ain't in a ministry, so I gotta talk about the chemistry. And matter is the thing that takes up space. So in any race, I'm guaranteed to get first place. Elements are composed of atoms. Conventional league, and I ain't talking atom. Electrons, protons, and neutrons. You only go to jail when you can get a bond. If any electron is negatively charged, it's called an ion. Ionic bond, covalent bond. Only one of them is polar. It's time to end my verse so don't come crying on my shoulder when it's over.
Something in our bodies, there are trillions of cells that make the human body go through cellular respiration, releases energy from breaking chemical bonds, ATP that stores inner energy. There's two phases of cellular respiration, anaerobic and anaerobic. Anaerobic doesn't require energy. Aerobic requires energy. Aerobic contains CO2, H2O, and ATP that reacts in the cytoplasm and in the mitochondria. It reacts to glucose and oxygen and produces cellular energy that breaks down food in the
This was a Scholar Game
mitochondria
production.
that consists of glucose. Anaerobic contains CO2 that reacts in the cytoplasm and mitochondria that allows organisms to store energy for usability. The role of an anaerobic respiration keeps us alive like we are running. Anaerobic takes over and gives your body energy. Living organisms need it too, but getting through metabolic passageways. Cell cycles are a series of cues that control or check the cell cycle. Mitosis is the division of the nucleus. Okay. Cytokinesis that divides the cytoplasm. Meiosis results in the cells with
That will never change. Hypodermis come first. It's like the baby pup. It functions as insulation and padding for the body. Stores nutrients and energy provided. The dermis is a thicker, so boy you better pay her. Next the epidermis, it's the outer layer. Dermis is a cushion from stress and strain. Sense, touch, and heat activating pain. Epidermis provide a waterproof barrier, creating skin tone visible in the outer layer. Integumentary system of vertebrates compromises skin cells
This
and
was a Scholar Game
glands.
production.
Layers. If you got a question, boys and girls, raise your hand. The skin protects the body and prevents water loss. This what helps you be a boss, like Rick Ross. immunity, protection of disease. Sometimes you can find it in your sneeze. When functioning properly, it identifies threats by a variety. Viruses, bacteria, and parasites get distinguished from the body's health tissue. Non-specific immunity is always in the background, no matter what type of pathogens come around. Barriers to pathogens filter out germs in your food so it won't spread around. Or when your mood, macrophages like the neighborhood bug patrolling the body through the blood. Basophils secrete histamines who call immune cells to the scene. These
This
cells
was a
are
Scholar Gang
enclosed, are
production.
specific and specific, reliable for immune responses. Terrific natural killer T cells find and destroy pathogens pretty well. Specific immunity consists of helper T cells, also non-specific immunity. Macrophages tell T and B cells that intruders are present, displays a pathogen known as an antigen. Memory cells are called the record keeper, so the antigens won't be a creeper. Helper T cells recognize where antigen lies, help to organize a fight so the enemy dies. The last subject of the whole system, vaccines that help introduce pathogens to the system for a person to develop immunity.